Wait, do you have a family? Squidly? My family's gone. I think they got haunted. I think they got killed by Linux. Ah! Are you okay? I just hate the news about her, seriously. I could tell she's gonna try. I bet she's sneaking on us right now. I'm scared. Oh yeah, we couldn't find her in this LP spaceship. Ow, it's stuck there. So you're just gonna be with me now? But my friend, I live with her right now, so she's going with her daughter. I'm gonna go with her. Why are you gonna leave me? You're my buddy. Oh yeah, I stay with you all the time. But then I started moving with her. Yep, how she ended up. Ah. Yep. Come on, guys. Oh. I didn't come with you, bud. What? But I live in the big city over there. Oh, that can't be true. Okay, guys. All you guys have to go to your homes now. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Have fun. So much fun with you guys. Only one viewer, I guess. That's weird. Huh. I gotta go back to my sister. I bet she's really worried about me. I bet she didn't even know where you went.